Project was a fun one. This motor has been laying on the inside the garage here in the box from the newer Yamaha I had to buy. This guy here is running, but he's having a problem steering, and I needed to get him out for charter, so I had to replace him with a new motor. So I'll be working on him. I'm gonna buy myself a little dinghy for up here, but what we built today was this stand. And I found these pieces laying in the garage from the previous owner. So two 4x4s, a 2x4 going across the top, and they are in there with 3-inch drywall screws on each side, braced by these little trim pieces that he had here. And then these two pieces of angle iron were laying here as well. So, and of course, so was that board, which I've ripped down to the size I need to fit inside the garage door opening so it doesn't affect the car. And underneath here, I've got a couple of rollers that he also had left that I installed. I can tilt it, pull it towards me. It rolls like a son of a gun. I'm not going to show you no one-handed acrobatics here. But the thing I like about it is where I've placed it on the wall there. I can open the rear door and it doesn't interfere with the motor being on the side of it, even if the car was a lot closer. And I fasten them as always with my little screw going in to the wall. You can see it here better on the ladder. So it's the force is going this way and that way, not trying to pull the screw back out. And it just keeps these things tight up against the wall. It'll keep him tight up against the wall too. But that was fun, very fun. Would have been cheap to just buy one. I think it's only about $200 to buy one with the wheels already on it. But it was fun. I have a garage now, so here we go. Motor is off the ground. Box is thrown away.